Hi everyone, this is a little tutorial to help you learn how to change your profile picture on Zoom. So you just open up your browser, type in Zoom, and then click Zoom, sign in, and if you look at the bottom, it'll give you an option to sign in with Google. Click Google and then click your school account. And then you're gonna see Zoom and then profile on the side. You're gonna click profile and you will see a picture and you could change that picture. You could change, upload, and then I could just add a picture. Let me see, desktop. I didn't have a picture prepared, but you would click whatever picture you would want and then click open and it'll change your picture. Let me see if I can find the picture. There's this one. Oh, here's one. This is a picture my student drew. And you just move the box to wherever you want the picture, click save, and it'll automatically change. And then you could change it again or you could delete it. And it'll go back to its normal settings.